Hello, in this video, we will look at drawing total graphics with colors and fonts. So these are the methods you can use for drawing using color and the fonts. This is to set the pen color. This is to set the pen fill color. Fill color is used with begin fill and end fill. So when, for example, you draw a circle between begin fill and end fill using the fill color to fill the circle with the specified color. This filling returns true if filling, false if not filling. Clear clears the window. The state and the position of the total are not affected. Reset clears the window and reset the state and position to the original default value. Screen size sets the width and height of the canvas. Hide total makes the total invisible. Show total makes the total visible. Is visible returns true if the total is visible. Total.write, this is to write a text using the specified font with this font name, size, and the font type. Now let's look at this example. We display a text and then draw the shapes with the color field. So this is the pen size, and up and move to the desired location and pen down. Now begin fill, and this is the using this color and draw the circle. Now I'm going to have this red, and here is total dot fill color. Let's fill the color using orange. All right, so now let's go down and see what is the first one here. And you're going to see this misspelling here, total. Now let's go give it a try here. And that's the orange filled in. Now, look, we could display this message, and this is the green color. And here, I'm going to move the location to right here. This is starting from here, then draw the text, cool, colorful shapes, and using the font name times the size 18, and the font type is bold. That is all for this section on drawing with colors and fonts. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.